Hi, I'm Asha Newbold, property partner at CR Real Estates, and today I'm standing outside my latest instruction on Upper Luton Road in Chatham. Now this property is absolutely stunning inside. We have 3 double bedrooms, a beautiful kitchen diner at the back overlooking a stunning rear garden. To the front you have a spacious lounge and a garage en bloc. So let's go inside and take a look around. So I'm standing inside the stunning kitchen diner of this beautiful house. So while you take a look around, I want to talk to you about a couple of options. Are you a buy-to-let investor? If so, a property of this standard would achieve somewhere in the region of £1,200 per calendar month, which works out at a yield of over 5%. Or are you a first-time buyer? As first-time buyers, all you would require for a property of this is a minimum of a 5% deposit, and some lenders will lend 4.5 to 5 times your annual income, whether that be an individual income or a joint income. At CR Real Estates, we work in close partnership with the Residential Mortgage Hub, who offer expert advice whether you're a first-time buyer, buy-to-let investor, or just someone that's planning on moving home. So if you'd like a conversation with them today, give us a call and I can arrange that for you. So to complete this amazing house is this spacious rear garden with far-fetching views over Chatham. So if you'd like to arrange a viewing on this property, give us a call today on 01634 570057.